Hi everyone, my name is Alina and welcome to my channel. This video is about giant flower stems and what pipe I use for them, how to cut it, the most common mistakes and how to fix it. To make a beautiful curvy stem for all my flowers, I use special bendable PVC pipe. My favorite sizes to use are 16 and 20 mm diameter. This is 10 meters of 16 mm size. And now I'm going to show you how to cut and bend it, the most common mistakes and how to fix them. So let's start. Step first, measure the needed length and mark. I mark the needed length with a usual pencil because it's easy to remove. I wouldn't recommend to use markers because sometimes they are hard to erase. This pipe is flexible and easy to bend even for me, but at the same time it's strong enough to hold even my biggest flowers. And for now the biggest flower I made is 1 meter diameter. All links in description. Now when we have the mark where to cut, just take a usual cutting board and knife. Carefully bend pipe in a comfortable position, so you could place it flat on the surface. And preheat the place you marked with a heat gun. Usually it needs about 20-30 seconds, but be careful because pipe becomes hot quite fast due to the metal part inside. If you will heat it well, you will be able to cut it just like a hot knife through butter. Put pressure on, and if it's too hard, heat the pipe again with a higher temperature. My cut piece looks like this. As you can see, it's a little bit pressed, but don't worry if such thing happened, because I'm going to show you how to fix it. In order to fix this, just hit the cut point for about 10 seconds. Then take any stick. It could be even makeup brush, some tools from cutter or even from kitchen. Put it inside the pipe and spin it around just like I show, and you will make the borders round as it was. Here is how easy we solved this little issue. The next step, I will show you how to easily remove any markings on the pipe. Just take any nail polish remover. The most important that the main ingredient must be acetone. Then put it on paper towel and wipe it. You will see how fast markings disappear. Also, you can use some premium remover liquids, but in this tutorial I am showing you the most efficient and affordable way. Wipe the pipe well and check if there is no black paint somewhere, and your stem is ready to use. You can use this pipe as it is, just add a lot of flowers and leaves. For example, here is one of my favorite bestsellers. Just imagine, it's 8 feet tall and in real life looks like a fairy tale garden of giant white poppies. Classes on how to make such installation will be available soon. Don't forget to subscribe because every Sunday I will have a new big tutorial on something really unique, beautiful and probably giant. See you soon. Bye bye.